Hi guys, and welcome back to Reed's Readers with your host, Clinton Reed. And today, I'm going to show you my LitJoy crate unboxing. I've been wanting to do LitJoy crate for a while, and this theme just screamed out at me. But before we get into the box, I want to show some little extra goodies that I purchased from LitJoy crate. So if you guys like them, you can go get them while you still can. So first off, I bought for the boyfriend for Christmas. I almost said Halloween. The hell. I bought him these pot holders because he's a huge Hades fan. And they are just stunning. Just a set of two. They were really cute. I also got me a new bag, which I wear as a messenger bag. But it's just so cute. It's inspired by Strange the Dreamer, his Dark Materials, and A Discovery of Witches. I don't know why I couldn't think of my favorite out of those three. But I've been carrying this bag, and I just wear it because the strap says I wear it as like a messenger bag, and I just love it. And everyone loves it. It's just so pretty. And then they were also offering a free thing, this little passport that's starting next year. Apparently they're gonna like start giving like stickers away depending on the crates. We'll tell you like which things will have stickers. And that is, if I end up liking LitJoy crate, I thought maybe next year I might do like get the crate every month. And it'd be something fun to unbox with you guys. And also, I got my very first reading journal from them. Oh my god, it is stunning. Comes in this little collector's case. Oh, and for those of y'all who didn't see our live show, and you're seeing a brace, I dropped a 10-foot granite countertop on my wrist, so brace for a few days. But I got this cute little reading journal. It's the end pages. And just has different things, some places, for things like goals, I can color them in. I'm gonna start using this in 2021. And I'm gonna see if I like this style better than my binder. So, but those are just the lovely goodies that I got outside of getting this box. So let me move everything down. And how about we get in to the unboxing, which I'm super excited about. So let's. And that's what you guys see. Oh my god. Is there no spoiler card on the top? I'm gonna assume a spoiler card is further along in it. So, but this is what you guys see. I really like the blue hashtag LitJoy crate and like all the books and stuff that are printed on the box. The unbox the joy of reading. And I really like the inside. I feel like I can color that if I want to. It'd be fun. But okay, so let's set this. I kind of wish I would have left that desk in here now. We'll do that. First thing I see are fuzzy socks. And they're Riverdale inspired. They're Riverdale inspired. They're Riverdale inspired. Open. Ooh, and they got the little grips. Ooh, these are cute. Just Riverdale High socks, and it just says Riverdale High, and these are just so, ooh, those are soft. I love fuzzy socks. And for those of y'all who don't know, I'm a huge Archie comics fan, so I'm a huge Riverdale fan, and These are, love them. Next is I see Scrunchies, which I have no idea what they're inspired by. Which if I find a spoiler card in there at some point, they're just scrunchies. You've got a green with roses on it, a pinkish red with Eiffel Tower and hearts on it, and stars on the yellow one. So I'm like, only thing I can think of is possibly Hamilton, but one of them would be blue instead of green. I don't. We'll wait and see. Still appreciate scrunchies. For those would make amazing Christmas gifts for someone. Next I see is a box. See a box. This is the tiny teacup that they were talking about. And it's supposed to be inspired by the Lunar Chronicles. Ooh, 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 ooh. I like that shape. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Girl. Ooh. This is the teacup. It's got the glass slipper, the apple, and Red's cloak with a silver handle, and it's like, babe, like, that shape, it's not what I was expecting. It was a little misdone with the painting, but it's still really cute. And I'm so happy I have this. Display it right here for right now. Next I see is a Nutter box. That's flat. What is this? Oh, does this go with that? Oh, it's the saucer. The saucer has phases of the moon on it and a crown and it's that weird shape just like this is what the saucer looks like with the phases of the moons and then like Lavana's crown. Oh, that's just so, oh, that's gonna be so cute. That is so cute. I love the purple. The only thing that I'm kind of sad that I do not see is something to represent Cress. You have Cinder, you have Winter, and you have Scarlet, and you have Lavana, but nothing to represent Cress. That's the only negative I see. We're gonna sit that like right there because that is so cute. Ugh. And it looks like they're handmade and just, ugh, perfection. Okay, I see something in a bag. What is this? Oh, is this like a coffee scooper to like, and it's a clip with a scooper? It just says, just coffee, black like my soul. The boyfriend will appreciate that. Because I can't drink coffee, but I like this. I like this a lot. We'll set that like that. And then in here I see a little bitty, how do I get into this? It's one of those, like, clipboards. Which... It's Emma by Jane Austen. My favorite Jane Austen. The only Jane Austen I've ever read. I always deserve the best treatment because I never put up with any other. Emma from Jane Austen, one of my favorite quotes. Just clipboard with some pretty little flowers and paper. These will actually come in handy. We all know I like to make lists on lists on lists on lists on lists on lists. So I appreciate stuff like this. I just wish the quote would be on the back side. Is what I wish. The quote was like here instead of here. But I appreciate. And now we're down to... we have other stuff. Hold on. Before we get to the book, we have other goodies. We have an art print. Oh. Art print with the letter from the author on the back. Which I don't want to see the author note just yet. There's a million books I haven't read, just you wait. There's a million things I have... Oh, what is this? Well, obviously it's a bookmark, but is it one or multiple? Hold on. It's a wood mark. I have a wood bookmark. I love those. On this side, it says, there's a million books I haven't read, just you wait. There's a million things I haven't done, just you wait. Love Hamilton. There's a million things I haven't done, with a picture of Hamilton on the back. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Oh yeah, they also include what is kind of like, you know those photo booths that you see at like malls and stuff that like you take several photos and it prints out? Well, they apparently do these little photo things every month with like characters on it and stuff. I just don't remember the fandom this is from. It looks sci-fi is all I know. Planet Arcus, House of Atrudis, 10190 AG. But this artwork is stunning, though. That one, and this is this one. Really love that artwork, though. I'll set those over here tall. And haha, this is the little booklet. This is a spoiler card. Hold on. Oh, they're inspired by Dune. The little picture things are Dune inspired. I'm an idiot. Mortal Instruments coffee scoop. Lunar Chronicles, mini teacup and saucer, Hamilton Woodmark. Anna and the French Kiss, Scrunchies. Oh. I didn't do any of the add-ons. But let's get to the book, seeing as I just got spoiled for the book. which I love the fact of boxes putting books in little bitty book sleeves. I appreciate that immensely. The book is Upside Down. The Love Curse of Melody McIntyre by Robin Talley. I'm just gonna sit. Which is super queer. Because I see lesbians on the cover. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Open it up. Oh. Some type of made in China sticker was stuck to. Okay. It's the author page with the art print inside of it. And I know book boxes. Ooh. First off, that under jacket. Underneath the dust jacket looks stunning. But the reversible dust jacket, and I appreciate the fact that the title's on the other side too. I've heard a lot about Robin Talley. I've never read anything by her, but she has been on my radar, and she is a queer author. So this is a book with queer characters written by a queer author, so that'll be appreciated. And it's like a dark indigo blue, so it'll go towards the end of our blues, going into purples. The back says, "The truth is, I'd do anything to make the spring musical go perfectly, even swear off love." Just saying, this is queer and it has musicals in it. My drag queen loving self. I just realized I'm still wearing my mask. Whatever. My drag queen loving self is gonna love this. Just. Melody McIntyre, stage manager extraordinaire, has a plan for everything. Lead actor Nita Breathmint, she's on it. Comic relief, bust a seam. Mel's sewing kit is at the ready. Not only is her plan A foolproof, she's got a plan B and a plan C because actors can be total fools. What she doesn't have? Success with love. Every time she falls for someone during rehearsals, both the romance and the show ends in catastrophe. However you pronounce that word. Y'all got me. So Mel swears off love until the upcoming production of Les Mis is over. They're doing Les Mis. Okay, for those of y'all who don't know, Les Mis is in like my top 10 favorite musicals of all time. Of course, Mel didn't count on Odell Rose, rising star in the acting world, auditioning for the spring production. And she definitely didn't expect Odile? Is it Odell or Odile? 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 It's a cute name, though. To be sweet and funny and care as much about the play's success as Mel, which means that Melody McIntyre's only plan now is trying desperately not to fall in love. Okay, that sounds super cute, and I'm really happy I got this book box because it's introducing me to something I probably wouldn't normally get myself. My only issue I have with this cover is, I'm going to assume the redhead's Odile. Does her pants need to be that high? I mean, in drag, I wear my pants really high, but damn. But other than that, I love this cover. And I like the fact that I get more female-female relationships for my shelf because I tend to not read a lot of female-female relationships because gay man here. prefer Mel Mel. We'll read straight, we'll read Mel Mel, but a lot of times the females get ignored. Not on purpose. But I do appreciate... Oh, if y'all want to know the theme of the box, it was Drama Club. Makes sense why they included Hamilton. And this little booklet just shows all the spoilers. There is information on Robin, the book, everything that came in the box, all their additional add-ons. The February theme is going to be Journey to Belong for the YA box. Ooh, do they not do a box every? They don't do a box every month? Huh. I'll have to look into that because that might be really good. And did they spoil the book? I don't know if they did or not. Hold on. They might have. Because it says Stephanie Brown Offbeat Worlds. Or at Offbeat Worlds. Oh no, that's the person who does the artwork for the next box. Ooh. Really hope they only do a box every other month because then that would be awesome. But that is everything that we got in the December LitJoy crate box. Let's compare this to the Bookish box. Okay, let's compare it to my latest Bookish box. I'm going to put the Carrie Maniscalco one aside because that one was directly related to Kingdom of the Wicked. And that we all know I was super excited about. So I'm going to compare LitJoy crate to everything that we got in the Bookish box. And I will state that I kind of am a little bit more... There's a few things in the Bookish box that I liked. But I think overall, right now, I like the look of LitJoy crate. Granted, there are a few things that I would like maneuver around. But, like... The teacup is a little... The paint spilt and stuff like that. But I like imperfections. Because that makes them more unique for me. And I would have added something for Rapunzel, Cress. Like, I would have made maybe the handle out of hair or something. Would have made the handle, like, look like her braided hair or something. That would be the one thing I would change for that. And the clipboard, I would put the quote on the back, not the front of the clipboard. But other than that, I generally really love this box. And I will actually probably keep everything but the scrunchies. Because I don't have the hair for scrunchies. But let me read the letter from the author. Because I just realized I haven't done that. And I like to do that because of... Maybe it'll make you guys want to pick up said book. Dear reader, if all the world's a stage, then what's life without a little drama? I mean, is that not like a quote of my life? If the world's your stage, what's life without a little bit of drama? Let's be honest, this is me we're talking about. I wrote The Love Curse of Melody McIntyre because I believe firmly in passion projects. The kind you put your whole heart into, and theater is the ultimate passion project. It's no wonder going to see a show feels like stepping into something magical. Or that so many creative works, especially in the performing arts, center around love. Melody McIntyre is a stage manager who firmly believes in theater magic. And of course, she also firmly believes in love. I hope you enjoy reading her story as much as I enjoyed writing it. Cheers, Robin. P.S. As Melody would say, the first rule of theater is never lose sight of what's important. Here's hoping that soon we will all be getting back to the theater together again. Aww, I like that. And I really like this art print. I like the fact that the girl up here is like, I know you good at this because I made it good. Like, I love that kind of, like, sassiness in the character. But I honestly will state my favorite item of this box is probably going to be that Hamilton bookmark, because it's a wood mark. And I generally am really excited about this teacup. And the fuzzy socks. Oh, I love fuzzy socks. Just fuzzy socks. So, what did y'all think of this box? Comment down below and let me know. If you're new and you like this video, hit that thumbs up, or as M would say on Novell's Novels, ring-a-ling on my ding-a-ling. I just love how you say that, Mel. Or not Mel, M. I just love how you say that, Emily, because it's just so cute. But yeah, and while you're at it, might as well hit that subscribe, because you know you want more content like this. And y'all want to know if I'm going to continue my LitJoy crates into next year. I mean, I will at least get the February box, and we'll go from there. Because I feel like I need to give... I gave Bookish Box 2 boxes. I probably should have given Bookish Box 1 more box. But that last one was just so disappointing. And this, I actually generally enjoy. And I kind of like slightly of the imperfections. So, but yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Comment down below and tell me what your favorite item was in this box. Have you read this book? Comment down below and let me know. Have you read this author? Do you think I will love her? She is one that I've been kind of looking to figure out if I would love her or not. Because I want to read more sapphic romances. I can't just have male. I need more female. I'm going to diversify my reading in 2021. My queer reading. I'm going to read more, trans representation, non-binary, bisexual, asexual. I'm going to read more of the spectrum of queerness, not just male. So, for to that, but yeah, that's all I've got for you guys today. Remember, kids, reading is what? Fundamental. Until next time, bye!